At OPI, we believe what sets you apart from competition isn't just a great manicure, pedicure, or enhancement. It's how you maintain good salon hygiene, and that starts with properly disinfected implements. I use a clean brush and Swiss Blue soap to thoroughly remove any debris from my implements. I focus on the areas that collect debris the most. Once I'm done, I rinse my implements with warm water, then place them on a clean towel to dry. I'll do this process to all of my implements, such as my AccuNip, Pusher Plus, and Dexterity. Next, I rinse my brush and set it aside to dry. Now, with the clean towel, I'll pat dry my implements to remove any leftover moisture. Next, I carefully place my now sanitized implements into my disinfectant solution. Make sure the implements are fully submerged for 10 minutes. We recommend setting a timer to remind you when the 10 minutes are up. Do not soak your implements for an extensive period of time, as this can cause the jaws and hinges to corrode. I'll rinse my implements under running water. Once my tools are thoroughly rinsed, I place them back onto a clean towel. I repeat these same steps with my remaining implements. With a clean towel, I pat dry my implements to remove any excess moisture. Lastly, I store and label my clean implements in a sanitary container so they're ready for my next service.